Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 40, 45 and 48 using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method is the method in which we divide numbers using prime numbers and find their factors. And after finding the factors, we can find the LCM of the numbers easily. So let's divide these numbers using prime numbers, find their common factors. Let's use the first prime number 2. As 40 and 48 are fully divisible by 2, we are going to divide these numbers. 45 is not fully divisible, so we'll write it as is. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0, 45 will be as is. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. Again we'll use 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, 45 will be as is. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10, 45 will be as is, 2 times 6 is 12. Again we can use 2 to divide 6, 5 will be as is cause it's a prime number, 45 will be as is, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now we can use 3 to divide 45 and 3. 5 will be as is. 3 times 1 is 3, 1 is remainder, this becomes 15, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 1 is 3. Again we can use 3 to divide 15, 5 will be as is, 3 times 5 is 15 and this is fully divided, so here it is 1. Now 5 is prime number, it is only divisible by number 5, so 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 1 is 5 and this is also 1. So all the numbers are fully divided. Let's find the LCM by taking the product of all the factors which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So LCM will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. To make a multiplication easy, let's multiply 5 and 2, so that's 10. And rest of the numbers, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24 and 24 times 3 is 72. And 10 times 72 is 720. So the LCM of the three numbers 40, 45 and 48 is 720. And this is how we find the LCM using prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.